Okay, just because you guys asked for it. Cayenne Pepper. I did it once before. It is. Ooh, that was good. Only. Oh, here. Oh, I did it before and it didn't quite work, so I thought I'd try. Woo. That's three. That's three. See if I can go a couple more. See if I can get to 10. It's weird because I did it full one before and it didn't. That's four. That's four. That's four. Ooh. Maybe I can get to 10, but I'm not sure. I feel 5 coming on, but I'm not 100%. That is. Oh, this is crazy. Whew. Good thing I like cayenne pepper. That one burns. Oh, my lord. Oh, the other one just made my eyes burn. Or water, rather. This one's doing the eyes watering too, but maybe I'm sniffing it too quick or something on the first one. I don't know. I got 4 good ones. This one's just burning again. Oh, there we go. Oh, man. Oh, man. It's just, the whole sinuses are basically just like that feeling when it's in your mouth with the cayenne. Ooh. It's like hot. It's like, it feels like a sauna inside my sinuses. So I don't know if I'm going to get more than 4, but my eyes are watered. Sure. And I just think it's interesting that it's a trend that basically you guys are digging on sneezes. Fart fetishes were big for a little while too. I got some hits off of a couple things that had fart titles on. So, oh, those are big. Okay. I don't know if I got another one coming. Okay, we'll do it one more time. How about that? Because I'm just as twisted as you guys are. Oh my lord. Woo! Sun's coming in here. I don't know if it's good or bad. Whew. Oh my. Doesn't look like I'm getting another hit on him. That's weird. definitely cleans out the sinuses, though. Although clean out is the right term, but it's like that kind of wasabi, but not quite as. Okay. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, that was a good one. That's six. 7. Eight. Oh man. 9. Let's see if I can get one more. Oh. Oh my. Those are pretty. Oh, that might be one. Oh man. Whew, I think I'm only going to get 9 out of it. And a stuffy nose, though. There's a little bit of rust. A little bit more rust. The pain that is for this thing called art. Okay, so that was 9. And the first one, I did like a minute and a half, and the first one didn't even work, so I shut it off. This is like 7.5 minutes. This is kind of painful though. And now I am pretty good in stuffed. That is it. That is like okay. It's like allergy stuffed, so. Whew. Wow, that's rough. You guys should try that. You should try it and see what it's like. So I got 9 out of it. I'm gonna post 9 good sneezes. That's rough though. I saw one of the cinnamon challenge, and it looked like you could actually get asphyxiated by it, where you take a spoonful and you put it in your mouth, and it doesn't dissolve right away. Like if you put it in water, it doesn't dissolve. It just gets clumpy or whatever. Same thing. It's like it would suck all the moisture up in your throat, and then you could breathe it in, and there's no way, or it'd be really hard to get it out. So I don't know if anybody died off that, but I could see how they would. So wow, for you guys, 9 hefty sneezes. Wow. And I think my face is a little red. It's kind of hard to tell, but all I know is my sinuses are a bit clogged, and there's still a little bit of burn going on in there. In the eyes, they're better now, but they were watering for a bit. So, interesting. So, that's 9 sneezes in 9 minutes. Cheers.